Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply rename your loadout in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just in Call of Duty, click here on weapons, and now what you want to do is just click here on edit loadout, and you're gonna see like the custom loadout that you have here, and you can just click here on right click on it and click rename and just change the name to Sniper. And just click here, I don't know, primary weapon, and I can see that right now I have, like, I already choose on the second weapon, so I can go like here, and I got 2 snipers right now because I have overkill, so I could go like with a ghost, and then I would go with a, I don't know, quick fix, whatever, like it doesn't matter. And then I would just like choose weapons, and then I could go with the handguns and choose, I don't know, this one here, and I would be fine. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can rename your loadout in Call of Duty. Thank you everybody, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.